Your doctor may have told you that you need an axillary lymph node dissection. In this video, we will describe what an axillary lymph node dissection is and why it is done, what happens during the procedure, what the risks are, and what to expect after surgery. As you watch this video, it might be helpful to pause and write down some notes or questions to ask your doctor. What is an axillary lymph node dissection, or ALND for short? An axillary lymph node dissection involves removing a package of lymph nodes from the axilla, which is the area around your armpit. This may be done to remove any cancer cells that remain in the armpit area, to reduce the chance of cancer returning, or to determine more information about your cancer. What happens during the procedure? On the day of your surgery, you will typically be put to sleep using general anesthesia. Your surgeon will then make a cut in your armpit and remove a package of tissue containing the lymph nodes. The removed tissue will be located between a large vein and two nerves that run along the chest wall and underneath the pectoralis muscle. What are the risks? There are a few risks to the procedure, such as bleeding, infection, blood clots in the legs and lungs, and small risks to the heart and lungs because of the anesthesia. In addition, removing lymph nodes can disrupt how fluid drains in your arm and can cause swelling. This is called lymphedema. After an axillary lymph node dissection, the risk of lymphedema increases to about 15 to 20%. If radiation is also done to treat the cancer, this risk increases to about 30 to 50%. Additionally, there is typically a permanent loss or decrease of sensation in the underarm area because sensory nerves are cut during the procedure. What can you expect after the procedure? After the surgery, you can go home on the same day. Recovery will take about 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, don't lift more than 10 pounds or do intense movements with the affected arm. In addition, avoid taking blood pressure or using needles on this arm, and pay special attention to infections. It's normal to experience pain after surgery. This usually improves over time and is managed with over-the-counter pain relievers or stronger prescription medication if needed. There is a small risk of experiencing long-term or chronic pain. If this happens, your healthcare team will be there to help. After the procedure, you will have a drain that stays in for about 1 to 2 weeks. This will help prevent fluid buildup. You may also be referred to a lymphedema specialist if needed. Lastly, you will be given range of motion exercises to help with your healing and recovery. We understand that your breast cancer treatment journey can be overwhelming. But remember, your doctor and healthcare team are here to support you every step of the way. Feel free to re-watch this video as needed, and don't hesitate to bring up any questions or concerns you may have.